Stored Technology has a proven Industry 4.0 solution called nexy. What is nexy? Nexy is an industrial wireless solution that provides a means of enhancing production inventory logistics in challenging applications, such as those involving inventory flow racks, AGVs, and areas difficult to access with wire control components. Nexy is able to do this without the expense of running cables to these challenging data collection points. As a manufacturer of sensor technology, we offer a wide range of wireless sensors and actuators. Our intelligent wireless technology, S-WaveNet, is built into all of our wireless products. All information is transferred to your existing ERP system in its current status via a gateway that contains our sensor bridge. Various connectors are available to facilitate a simple and affordable connectivity to your existing IT infrastructure. This can be direct communication with SAP, an OPC UA adapter, a REST application interface, or a simple Modbus interface. If you want to take this further, or you have a special project in mind, spend some time on our website, visit our virtual booth, and look at some of our individual system solutions. We can show you an Econ bond system, which will help optimize material flow, an AGV module, which will help energy efficiency and help extend the battery life of your AGV fleet. We can also show you an and-on wireless solution. All of our systems are simple and intuitive to operate. KPIs can be identified and displayed on a variety of dashboards. The added value of our solution is measurable almost immediately. As well as various hardware and software components, we offer a wide range of services. We support you with complete project management, an on-site wireless survey and implementation, as well as initial operation. Are you curious to know more? Or maybe you already have an application in mind? We will be very happy to look at your current intralogistic processes and needs by visiting your facility or setting up a quick video conference call. Please contact me if you have any further questions about the nexy solution.